In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscription on chess.com. We're going to walk through the exact steps inside chess.com so you can manage your membership settings and cancel a premium plan if you no longer need it. Once you're logged into your account, head to the bottom left corner of the screen where you will see the gear icon, also known as the settings or cogwheel. Click on it, then select the option for all settings to open the full settings menu where account and membership options are located. From there, scroll down carefully until you find the membership section, which contains all the details about your current plan and billing information. Inside this area, you will see the option to cancel premium membership. If the option appears grayed out, it means there is currently no active premium subscription on your account. In that case, you would need an active plan such as Gold, Platinum, Diamond, or other available membership tiers before cancellation becomes applicable. Once a premium plan is active, the membership tab will show your current subscription details clearly, along with billing history and payment information tied to that plan. When you proceed with canceling, future payments will be stopped, but you will still retain access to premium benefits until the end of your current billing cycle. After confirming cancellation, always check the displayed end date so you know exactly when your premium access will expire. If you run into any issues while trying to cancel, you can return to the gear icon and open help and support. From there, you can start a conversation or type your question into the support chat to find relevant answers. You can also browse frequently asked questions or see more results to get additional guidance on membership and billing concerns. This ensures you have multiple ways to resolve any problems related to your subscription without confusion. Overall, the process is straightforward once you know where the membership settings are located within the platform. It only takes a few moments to review your plan and manage your subscription settings properly. This makes it easier to keep full control of your account and ensure you are only paying for features you actually need within chess.com at any time period. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,